Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unmerge cells in Google Sheets. Alright, so if you have previously merged cells in a Google Sheets document, you can unmerge those cells, and it's really easy to do. So as you can see, these cells are merged here, the cells that can be found here, and it's really easy to unmerge these cells. So all you have to do is select the cells you want to unmerge, and if you go to the merge cells icon, if you click on that, as you can see, the cells have been unmerged. But if we undo this action, and we can also click on the drop down arrow and also select unmerge here, and as you can see, the cells have been unmerged in this Google Sheets spreadsheet. So now this I can unmerge cells in a Google Sheets document. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.